Today, we're going to talk about a growing issue that affects pretty much anyone with a smartphone: fake app update scams. Our goal here is simple: to help you stay aware, stay calm, and most importantly, stay safe by understanding exactly how these things work.
So let me ask you a question. Do you update the apps on your phone? Of course you do, right? It's a smart habit. We're told it's good for security, it gets us the latest features, and it is. But here's the problem. What happens when that good habit, that smart thing you do, is turned against you? Well, scammers are now using our trust in the update process to create a very clever trap.
Okay, so the scam always starts with the bait. And in this case, it's a deceptive message that's designed to look just like a real notification from an app you already know and use.
You might get something that looks just like this. See that word, urgent? That's the key. Scammers love to use language like that to create a sense of panic. They want you to act fast without thinking. And this message can show up in a few different ways. It might be a text message or a forward on WhatsApp from a friend who doesn't even know it's a scam, or it could be a pop-up ad on some random website. They all have one goal: to get you to click that link. So what actually happens if someone does click that link? Let's break down the step-by-step process these criminals use to get inside your device.
It unfolds in 4 pretty simple stages. First, that urgent message arrives. Second, you click the link. Third, and this is the crucial part, instead of a real update, a fake, malicious app gets installed. And fourth, as soon as that app is on your phone, your personal data is at risk.
Now, that fake app you've installed is a type of malware. And malware is really just any harmful software that's built to secretly get into your device, steal your information, or just cause damage, all while running silently in the background.
And what can this malware actually do? Well, it's capable of a lot. It can steal your photos and your entire contact list. It can read your private text messages, including those one-time passwords, OTPs from your bank. From there, it can access your banking apps and even use your number to spread the scam to other people. This isn't just some theoretical threat. These scams have real, painful consequences for people. Let's look at an actual example to see just how serious the impact can be. A man in Hyderabad got this exact message on his WhatsApp. It looked legit, it was for an app he used every day, and it told him to act now. So he did what many of us might do. He clicked it. Just a short time after he installed that fake app, 30,000 rupees were taken directly from his bank account. This one case shows just how fast and how damaging these scams can be. Okay, now that we understand the threat, let's shift gears and focus on the most important part: how to protect yourself. The goal here is to give you clear, simple advice to help you stay safe. So, what's the solution? How do you stay safe? The good news is it's actually really straightforward. You don't need to be a tech genius. It all comes down to building one key habit. If you only take one thing away from our talk today, please let it be this: there is one simple rule that can protect you from all of these update scams. And here is that golden rule: only update your apps from official sources. That's it. That means going directly to the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone. Never, ever trust a link sent to you in a text, a WhatsApp message, or a pop-up ad. Let's make this crystal clear. The safe thing to do: open your official app store yourself to check for updates. Or even better, just set your phone to update apps automatically in the settings. The unsafe action: clicking any link in a message that tells you to update. It's a simple choice, but it makes all the difference. This is the core principle for staying safe online. Anytime you get an urgent message, just pause. Think about where it came from, and then verify it by going to the official source yourself. Don't let them rush you. The whole point of this isn't to make you afraid of your phone. It's about helping you use it with caution and confidence. Honestly, just understanding how these scams work is the most powerful tool you have to protect yourself. So the next time an update request pops up, just ask yourself, is this a friend or is it a foe? Today's awareness topic is just one of many challenges people face. The goal is not to fear technology, but to stay informed and cautious. Awareness is protection. If you stay alert, you stay safe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay aware, and please share this information with your family